The first word is successful. Is adjective. It means having a good result or achieving a goal. For example, he is a successful businessman. The next word speaker. Is a noun. It means a person who talks or device that makes sound. For example, he is a good public speaker. The next word audience. Is a noun. It means a group of people who watch or listen to something. For example, the movie has a young audience. The next word excited is an adjective. It means very happy or eager. For example, I am excited for the weekend. The next word terrible. Terrible. It means it it's an adjective. It means very bad or causing fear or dislike. For example, the weather was terrible yesterday. The next was reach. It's a verb. It means to get to a place or top something. Uh, for example, I can reach the top shelf. The next was goal. It's now. It means something you aim to achieve or a target you want to reach. For example, his goal is to become a doctor. The next was daydream. It's a noun. It means a present imaginary thought while awake. For example, he was lost in a daydream. The next was improve. It's a verb. It means to take something better or to become better. For example, I need to improve my speaking skill. Uh, the final was uh, imitate. It's a verb. It means to copy someone's action, speech, or behavior. Uh, for example, monkeys can imitate humans. Thanks for listening.